Imagine a bowl of warmth, a symphony of flavors melting in your mouth with each spoonful. The sweetness of caramelized onions, the richness of a hearty beef broth, a hint of dry white wine, and the crowning glory, a crusty baguette slice laden with molten Gruyère cheese. Yes, we're talking about the classic French onion soup, a dish that embodies the spirit of French cuisine. Simple ingredients transformed into something extraordinary. Begin by thinly slicing 4 large onions. This is where the magic starts. As the onions break down, they release their sugars, creating a base that's intricately sweet and savory. Next, mince 2 cloves of garlic. The garlic will add a subtle depth to the soup, an undertone that complements the sweetness of the onions. Now, heat 4 tablespoons of butter and 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a large pot. The butter adds a creamy richness, while the olive oil prevents the butter from burning. Add the onions and garlic to the pot, along with a teaspoon of sugar. The sugar will help the onions caramelize, enhancing their natural sweetness. Stir the mixture occasionally, allowing the onions to cook slowly until they reach a rich caramel color. This process can take some time, but it's worth the wait. The caramelization is what gives French onion soup its distinctive flavor. Once the onions are caramelized, deglaze the pot with a half cup of dry white wine. The wine will lift the caramelized bits from the bottom of the pot, infusing the soup with an even deeper flavor. Add 6 cups of beef broth to the pot. The broth should be high quality. It's one of the main flavors in this soup after all. Season with salt and pepper to taste. While the soup simmers, prepare the baguette slices. Toast them lightly, then top each one with a generous amount of grated Gruyère cheese. Place the cheesy baguettes under a broiler until the cheese is bubbling and golden. Then place one on top of each serving of soup. And there you have it. French onion soup. It's a process of layering flavors, from the caramelized onions to the hearty broth, the wine, and finally, the cheesy baguette. Each step adds a new dimension, culminating in a dish that's comforting, rich, and incredibly satisfying. In summary, start with caramelizing onions and garlic in butter and olive oil. Deglaze with white wine, then add beef broth and season. While the soup simmers, toast baguette slices topped with Gruyère cheese under a broiler. Serve the soup with a cheesy baguette on top. It's more than a soup. It's a labor of love, a testament to the transformative power of cooking. And the best part? It's a culinary journey you can embark on right in your own kitchen. Bon appétit! And just like that, we've taken you on a culinary journey right from your kitchen. Remember, the magic is in the process, not just the outcome. The joy of cooking comes from experimenting with flavors, learning new techniques, and above all, sharing delicious food with the people you love. This French onion soup is just the start. There are countless recipes and culinary adventures waiting for you to explore, and we're here to guide you every step of the way. So what are you waiting for? Grab your apron, ignite your stove, and let's create magic together in the kitchen. Thank you for joining us on this culinary journey. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting recipes and cooking tips. Until next time, keep cooking, keep exploring, and most importantly, keep enjoying the delicious outcomes. Bon appétit, and see you in the next video.